Okay, so made it down here to this little pond again. This is Jerry. I'm back down here again. Naomi couldn't be with me today, so we'll just have to go alone today. But we had such a good time last time we came down here. I'm gonna try it again. Alright, they're still in there. Oh no, I'm about to lose him. Alright, that's what we're after. That's what I came down here for. Okay, that's another one. And that's another little spot where I was kind of suspicious it may have been something bedded up at. That's a good fish. That's just right beside where I'd been throwing. Wow. Look at them things. That's a pretty good fish. Ooh. Man, he broke my line. That must have been a bass. Dang. I mean, broke everything off. Shoot. Well, I'm fixing to make my way on out of here. I didn't catch but 3 brim, but they were really good brim. I'll put those with those that we caught the other day, probably. And we can have something good for a fish fry here in a few days. And I was coming home and I saw this big old rattlesnake. He was a big one. Boy, he makes me nervous. I ain't even out of the truck. Man, I'm just shaking. Alright, yeah, there's my brim that I caught. These are some good, what we call bull brim right here. Some good eating fish. They got a real sweet flavor to them. And we'll have those fixed up here for too long. We may do a cooking episode with them or something here someday soon. Alright, well, we'll see y'all next time. Remember to subscribe. We'd appreciate it. And we'll see what we'll be doing next time. There ain't no telling with us.